Hey guys, it's Lingy. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my turmeric face mask to bring back your complexion. So I've added 2 tablespoons of turmeric mask, and then I'm going to add bentonite clear to make my mask a bit firm, and I'm going to add honey to make the mask smooth, and lemon juice, and then rose water. So I'm going to mix it together and I'm going to apply it on my face. Make sure the mask sits on your face for 5 minutes, and then you can wash it off using warm water or cold water. It's up to you. So before you apply the mask, make sure to wet your face so that the mask can sit properly. You can apply using your brush or your whatever. So now it's time for me to wash off the mask. So let's go. So after washing off the mask, make sure to wash your face again using any face scrub. And yeah, this is how my face looks like, and I'm glad that my complexion is back. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, share with others, subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to see you next time. Bye.